I'm in the city center of Hanoi right now. There's a lot of opportunities to take photos here. So I'm just out here taking photos and basically just a POV of me taking photos. So I'm using a Sigma 24 to 70. I'm gonna zoom it all the way because that's the max I can go. There's this cross here. I think it's gonna be a nice shot if I... Oh, yes. There we go. I just need to frame it properly. I like it. Ooh. Get this out of focus here. Oh, nice. Look at this statue right here. Get it through these beams right here. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. I see my target right there. Oh, yeah, there she goes. I actually feel scared for her. Just want to get a shot of her crossing. I really like these little alleyways, like they're so cool. Look at that. I really like the fact that people are so well dressed up here, so just photographing them is completely different. To be honest, I don't know where I'm going. I'm just going, and the only best way to explore the city and taking photos is to... Okay, I think this is a very nice shot. All right, I'm here at this train street in the middle of Hanoi, and I think this is a very nice place for photos. So I'm gonna try to take some good shots here. Let's put it all the way to 70. Shutter speed. Let's do this. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Oh, that's a nice shot right there. I think I just got a perfect shot right there. Hey, doggy! That is a scary dog. It's just barking at me. Use these leaves as my... Ooh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think that's a nice shot right there. Yes. I really love walking around the city. Just like not knowing where I'm going is just... Wow, look at that. Kind of interesting up there, the architecture. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes.